Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing me some jumbo rope twist with rubber bands, rubber band method, jumbo twist, Senegalese twist, rope twist, whatever you want to call them. And today I'll be using some expression hair I've had in my house for a very long time. I'm using the X96 hair. This hair Armor X96 is regular expression braid, kind of braiding hair. It comes in 96 inches. This is the color blackberry. Let me open it. It's a shade of purple, not violet purple, but it's purple. This is the hair. I do have 2 bags and half of this. I already cut 1 bag and half. I have the hair cut in 3. I'll be cutting the end. I already cut 1 bag and half in 3 and stretched. Let me cut this one and show you how to measure and cut. So this is the full length of the hair. How do I cut in 3? I fold it, I measure it in 3, like 1, 2, 3. Now that's not even longer. No. Now this is more. This is more like it. 1, 2, 3. I'll grab my scissors. Put this one aside. And this is the third one. And I'm just gonna quickly feather this. And now that all of the hair has been stretched out, the ends are now thin, no longer blunt. These are now stretched out. I'm going to split each section in 3. Remember, the whole bag of hair was split in 3. 1, 2, 3. Now each of the 3 will be split in 3, meaning that this one section now will be used for 3 twists. So the whole bag altogether will give me 9 twists. So this is going to be 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 from one section, 3 from another section, 3 from the other section, meaning 9 twists per bag of hair. I have 2 bags of hair. 9 plus 9, that will be 18. Then I also have 1/3 of a bag that was cut in 3, and that's 3. So 9 plus 9, 18, 18, 19, 20, 21. There should be 21 of these purple twists. And also I do have this interesting ombre hair that I might use or might not use. I don't know, but I think I want this in as some sort of highlight, but we'll see. So let me just get started with my hair. So now I'm gonna start with my twist. Let me put this aside for a minute. I'm gonna be using my biggest latch hook. You can't afford to use a small latch hook to grab large amounts of air. This is the biggest one I have. So which one am I doing first? Let me start with this one. Okay, so latch hook goes under the rubber band. Push the air in. Now that's a lot of air, so you have to be careful so you can push everything in, cover it, and whew, this is not super easy, but I did it. Yeah, pull it out. Yeah. Then I split my own air in two. Natural air is split in two. Goes on either side of the extension. Then I begin to twist. Remember, we twist, twist, twist. Ooh, a little bit of mouthful twist. Twist before you twist. Twist. You don't just flip the air, you roll it. Roll and twist. Roll and twist. Oh, my twists are not very long. It's okay. Gotta make sure I twist all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, or else this twist will unravel. Considering that they are a jumbo twist, you have to make sure the ends are sealed correctly. Twist all the way down, and there's the first one. Looks cute. I like it. Let's do another one. Piece of hair. Open the latch hook. Take it under the rubber band. On that rubber band, let's push this away so you can see. Cover it and pull out, pull through. Grab that middle and pull one. Let's pull it out. Okay, I pull that one end. Okay. Natural air. Split the natural air in two. 1, 2. Twist. That's been twisted. Twist. Twist. It's getting too thin on one side. I borrow from the other side with more hair. And twist. Gets thin again. I borrow some more hair here. Twist it all the way down. Let me continue. And just in case you didn't see it clearly, I'm gonna do this again, regular time. The latch hook big one goes under the rubber band, pull the air away. Put the air on the latch, close it and pull it out. Don't get too rough here, just gently. All of the air might not come out, but pull one side gently as you can. Just if you go too rough, it will hurt. Pull it out. Okay, now that one side is out, pull the other side. See, might get roughened up, but you smoothen it right back. I'm already boiling my water. Then the natural air, split that in two. Take this to one side, this to the other side, and twist and roll the air in your hands as you twist. Roll and twist, roll and twist, roll and twist, roll and twist. Twist it all the way down so that the twists do not unravel. And now I'm done with my hair. Here it is. C'est fini. Very lightweight. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much, and please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already. Thank you.